What's up, guys? What's one of the most important steps that a lot of people leave out before starting their body work on their car restoration? Find out on this episode of AC Designs Garage. Alright guys, what we're using in the video today I consider extremely important. We strip our cars down to bare metal. We don't do anything else. We'll go over them, clean them up, DA them with some 80, and we always shoot epoxy on them after the metal work's done. You don't want flash rust to start, you don't want any of that stuff, and this epoxy will put a good layer to keep the moisture from getting to the Bondo or anything like that coming back through it, because if you get any moisture underneath the Bondo, it's going to pop. If you ever see the little bubbles on a nice shiny paint job, it's because they probably didn't get all the rust off and they didn't put a good epoxy sealer coat on it. So make sure you use this stuff. It will save you in the long run. Alright guys, here's our victim today. It's a 1960 Chevrolet Impala. All in bare steel. What we're going to do is we're going to put our coat, a good heavy coat of epoxy on it. Then I'm going to come right after this, and after I put my epoxy on the dash, I'm going to come right back and put some 2K high build on it, because we're not really going to do much body work on it. But we've already fixed all the rust and stuff in the bottom of the quarters, and actually we put new quarters on from about here down, so on both sides. I'm gonna blow some out of epoxy in the trunk also. Yeah, this right here is the crucial step to right before you do the body work. Like I said, when I shoot this, you're gonna notice it's wavy. We ain't done nothing with that. We just want to get that good sealed layer of the epoxy, so we got something good to put our body work on, and it'll keep from moisture and stuff, getting to the body work and popping it off. So that's the main crucial step you guys need to do before you do any body work. Hi guys, hope y'all enjoyed this video on me epoxying this 1960 Impala. If you like this type of content, make sure you click up here. I'm gonna put a card up here or go to the end. I got several playlists on paint and body stuff on the 68 Camaro and several how-tos on cutting and buffing and all that good stuff. So if you're into the body stuff and you want to learn how to do it at home, make sure you follow along and subscribe, all that good jazz. Remember, be kind to one another. Jesus loves you, so do we. God bless. We gone.